Hello, my friends. Today we are going to talk about the time. Your life is all about the time that you lived on this planet Earth. If you look retrospectively, how did you spend your time in the past? What significant achievements you make? This is what, and you worth how much time you spent, which was worth. What exactly did you do? This underlines some very important facts about your life. What you wanted to do, have you been able to do that? Or your things that you always wanted to do, you did not do it. This is what determines your success or failure. Your life, has it been lived by you, or has it been spent on somebody else's purpose? You have to analyze your life. If you analyze your life, you look at the time. How did you spend? What was your important things? Most of us don't ever dare to ask this question. Don't ever dare to ask this question. Did I do what I was supposed to do? Most of the time, people, they spend their time just doing something and they're not reaching to anywhere. You have a limited time. First and foremost, it is important to acknowledge that we have a limited time. The planet Earth is there from billions of years and it will continue to be there. You are in a very short span of the time you are here. If you really want to stand out in this time, you have to see what you are doing and how you are doing it. Are you doing the things which really deserve your time? If you are doing something that deserve your time, that means you will be happy to see your achievements. If you look retrospectively to your life, you will find some gratification. Yes, I did this. And if you look at your future, at your goal settings and the progress which you are making towards your goal, that will again give you the ambition, that will set you up in the right course. But are you working towards what exactly you want? If you ask again and again this question, you will see that if you are on the right track, you will feel excited, you will get energized, you will get hooked up, you will always want to do the thing that you love to do it. But most of us do not, unfortunately, do this. They are fulfilling someone else's dreams. They are not living their own life. They have sacrificed their life forever. They just do what others told them to do. They forgot their own existence. They forget their own existence. They start to live what others, because they don't have their own motive. They don't have their own motive. They don't have their own motive. They will do what others will ask them to do. Can you wake up and take the charge of your life? I am begging you. Can you wake up and take the charge of your life? Billions of people on this planet Earth are doing something, and they are not connected with that what they are doing. Literally, they are not only wasting their own time, they are wasting everyone's time. They are thinking that their job is above their life. What they are doing is mandatory. It is what they have to do it, otherwise they cannot survive. My friend, you always have a choice. When it comes to time, you always have a choice. You can build yourself up in parallel to what you've been doing. Even if life has forced you to do something which you do not like to do, you do that, but parallelly set up another path. Build yourself up in your own skills. Build yourself up. Nothing can stop you from succeeding in the success that you want. Nothing in the whole world can stop you from succeeding in the success that you want. You are creating yourself and recreating yourself. You are improving yourself every time. You can improve yourself and you can take the higher situation. You can always become better and better. Every time you can do this, and you can only do this. No one else can tell you what you should do. You are creating and recreating yourself in the time. You are creating and recreating yourself in the time. Watch yourself. Watch yourself. What do you do? Ask yourself again and again, is this the true worth of my time? Is this the true worth of my time? If the answer is yes, then continue. Otherwise, boot it out. Boot it out. Ask yourself again and again, is this the one taking me closer to my goal? Is this the one in line with the vision which I am looking for? Every time you just look at the time, your time is being used with the awareness. You are becoming aware of your time, how you spend. Then you are going to notice that what you are doing, how far you are going, where is your time spent. Most of us live in automatic life. We wake up every new day and we live the old life like we used to live. Every new day we play the same old script and we think we are the one doing our best. No, that's not the right thing. Wake up and take the charge of your life. Your life is being spent and this is not going to come back. It's being spent, it's not going to come back. Your tomorrows is going to be created today. Be aware, bring this awareness to yourself. Your tomorrow is being created today. Be watchful what you are doing. See how much connected you are and is it taking you to the place where you want to go? Ask this again and again. Either we can wish the things to happen or we can make them. Either we can wish the things to happen to us or we can make them to happen. This is our action in the time. Ask again and again, are you the owner of your time? Are you doing what exactly you wanted to do? Or you are doing for somebody to please somebody else? You know what to do. If you are pleasing to somebody else, stop it. Please be kind to yourself. Make your life your own. You know what you want to get out of your life. You ask yourself, am I the one looking to get out of this? I know what I am doing. Am I getting what I want to do? Am I going to get from the thing what I am doing to what I want? Ask these blatant questions again and again. Ask this. We cannot expand in our life. Our life is limited. We cannot expand in our life. But there is one thing we can do. We can multiply our time. You can always multiply your time by outsourcing the things or by repeating someone else's mind. If you are a writer, if you are a creator of contents and people love to listen to you again and again. If you are a actor, if you are a player and people they listen to you again and again, you are in their mind forever. This is how people multiply their time. They multiply their time by living in the minds of people again and again. They never die because this is how you can live your life more magnificently. You have to find your own niche. You can find your own niche. You can see how you can make the difference in people's life. You can create this difference by multiplying yourself in the time. And this is the most important thing in the life. If you understand this, you will probably use your time in the right thing. You will make the difference in the lives of the people. And the moment you start to do this, your life will be entirely different. You will understand every Second importance, you will understand the importance of every moment. Right ambition, right future, right goal. They are just spending the time wishing the things will be better one day, wishing the things to be better rather than making them better. Take the charge of your life today. Set the worth of your time. Don't let it pass unless without your permission. You you be in it every moment, in every second. Every time remind yourself what I am doing. Am I doing something which will take me to the next level? Ask yourself again and again, is it the best use of my time? If it is not, change it. It is you, only you, who can make it happen. Only you can claim the best part of your life. If you live every moment, your success is inevitable. You will craft the stories of success again and again and more magnificent than ever before. Remind yourself again and again, if I use my time, I can develop my skills. With the time, you can develop your skills. With the time, you can master anything, anything of your choice. Be aware of your time. Live it more fully than ever before. Thank you, my friends. Thank you very much.